In this tutorial, I'll show you how to create a map range node-based gradient material. Here are the full nodes. Let's take a look at what each node does. I'm using a Forest EXR HDRI file. If you don't know how to find that file, please watch a tutorial in the description below. There are 6 colors in total. Please experiment with all available options on the map range node, and don't forget to try other texture nodes as well. I'll create an arrayed sphere scene to show you what would happen if multiple meshes are using the same material. I added another array modifier here, but the second modifier didn't pop up for some reason. I'll use a simple metallic material for the ground mesh. We can create a very interesting effect by using an arrayed or joined meshes. Check this out. This is what I wanted to show you. This is the end of the tutorial. Thank you for watching.